This thought just occurred to me. So while I'm busy looking for a snack, feel free to watch this. Yay, ice cream! Well, this is a weird one. I'm sure you're all wondering, what the hell am I doing with this one? Well, I'll tell you. I was planning on changing this fan out, you know, probably get it cleaned up, oiled, and probably put it away for to live its life as probably a personal fan, not as a heavy-duty bathroom fan. I was going to switch out this one with that piece of shit Room Essentials that's still on the destruction block. But then it's like when I switch it out and turn it on, it's like it even sucks at sucking. I'll show you in a minute. But yeah, I got the CH-V9 right here and a bottle of baby powder just for demonstrational purposes. So yeah, and see, I kind of have it in behind the fan, so sucks it right in. Pretty cool. Not bad for something that's been run for like days, even weeks on end. Very little cleaning, only oiled once. But let me show you the other one. And this is that crappy Room Essentials model, whatever the hell it's called. Let me dig out the instruction manual. Model ME6609. And like I said, I did use this because with the anticipation of cleaning this and probably restoring this Hawaiian Breeze, but here's what I got. I mean, low, if you notice, is pretty shitty. And same baby powder. Not much in the suck department. We'll turn it on high. Yeah, you think it's all noisy, you think it's all powerful. Well, it's not. In fact, above it there's still a cloud of powder, so this thing sucks at sucking the air out. So yeah. I don't think I'm going to have to demonstrate the Liquid HV9 that you saw in a previous vid, or 3 previous vids, or a long time ago. So yeah. Like I said, this one gets gone. And the CH-V9, the one that's been dependable, surprise surprise, that coincidentally bought at Target, will live to see another day. However, I may decide just for shits and giggles, buy me one of those Massey fans at Walmart just so I can have a bathroom exhaust fan. And in answer to everyone's question, the ceiling mounted bathroom exhaust fan doesn't work, so that's why I have this thing. So yeah. So I guess that's going to do it for this one. I mean, yeah. Just an idea of why I plan on destroying that little piece of shit Room Essentials fan. And eventually I will retire that, that Hawaiian Breeze. Probably get a Massey HP fan for my bathroom, I don't know. But we'll see what happens. So I guess until then, I'm Esky. Thanks for watching, and the comment box is open. So good.